again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. I hope everybody's doing fine and well and having a great day, and welcome if you are new. So we've got a bit of a Madam Glam kind of swatchathon slash haul kind of thing today. So quickly, I'm just going to show you, starting with the new Pot of Gold collection. I think this is the March collection. I've got 4 colours out of that collection. Then we've got some new releases. So we've got a rose gold gel pen. This is the exact same as the gold and the silver that comes in the set of 12 gel pens that Madam Glam do. I love this stuff. And then we've got a black and a white 3D embossing gel. So they're brand new to the website. And we've also got another brand new launch. So this is the Spring Jewel collection. So this is made up of 6 cat eye gels, so we're going to be looking at them as well. So quickly, starting with this Pot of Gold collection, this white one, I thought the label had little specks or something on there. I tried to rub it off but I realised it's actually got the most subtlest shimmer you've ever seen in your life. Turn my lights down a little bit to show you. Take a good look, because this is pretty much the only time you're going to see it, is when it's right close up. Yeah, I didn't quite see the point in that shimmer. Right, so we've got a yellow called Lucky Charm. We've got an orange called Orange Poppy. We've got a green. I think this was the lightest of the green, Little Secret, and Blessing. Yeah, there's 2 greens in this collection. I think the one I've got there was the lighter of the 2. So I'm just going to quickly fly through these swatches, because there's quite a lot to get through, and we'll take a quick look at them. I did show the picture at the beginning, but this Pot of Gold collection is made up of 8 colours. I think there's 2 kind of glittery, shimmery colours in this collection. I have seen, I think there's a green and a gold, and they look stunning. But anyway, guys, that's the 4 colours I chose. I am so happy to finally see bright colours. I can't wait for summer. Spring's not so bad, actually. You can bring out your bright colours in spring, can't you? I can't wait. So we're going to quickly go on now to the cat eye gels and have a quick swatch of them and see what they're saying. So we'll quickly look at the names first. So we have got Yellow Diamond, Jade Dream, Emerald Gaze, Sapphire Love, that was my favourite, Citrine Obsession, and Ruby Madness. So starting with Yellow Diamond, guys, I actually prefer these. I'm not a huge fan of cat eyes, purely because I don't use them. I actually prefer these just as a regular gel. How these paint on are beautiful. They are all just jam-packed full of shimmer, and the magnet particles actually are so bright. They just look like they've got kind of a ray of light going through them. Look how bright those magnetic particles are in these gels. Jam-packed, and yeah, they just look like there's a little kind of spotlight almost underneath the swatch stick. I was so impressed with how bright those little magnetic particles were. So I am just gonna put a little swoosh across all of these. My OCD needs them all to be the same anyway, and I normally just do a swipe up and down each side with the cat eyes, but I thought for a change I'll do a swoosh. Look at that, it just looks like a strobe light across the swatch stick, doesn't it? They are actually very, very pretty. I just don't use them, and I do tend to always give away my magnetic gels or cat eye gels, but I think for these 6 I might keep them and use them just as a regular gel, just because they are all, and some of them are quite unique colours for just a shimmery, glittery kind of full cover gel polish. Especially that jade green, it is beautiful. So yeah, I think I might actually keep these ones and just use them as regular gels. And I mean, this one as well, as an icy kind of blue, is beautiful. Oh my gosh, guys, look how this paints on. It's just cram-packed with so much shimmer. Definitely going to be using some of these just as a regular gel. They are beautiful. Right, I'll just let you watch this last couple, guys, and I'll be back. So there we go guys, that is them all swatched. They're actually really strong colours for cat eyes, bearing in mind these have been swatched over a clear stick as well, and they're all they've all got a jelly base to them. If you look at all the actual kind of base colour, they're all kind of jellies, aren't they? I think they're really pretty, and they are really good quality cat eyes. Like I said, I just don't use them, but I'll be using these as a regular gel, that is for sure. Right guys, so I'm just going to quickly take a look at these embossing gels and the new rose gold gel paint. So yeah, this rose gold gel paint, I'll just quickly show you the gold and the silver. It's exactly the same as these, but in the rose gold version. I'm so happy to see a new colour, because I used the gold and the silver gel paints a hell of a lot. Because they're so cram-packed, you can use these for just doing really skinny little thin outlines. I use mine a hell of a lot outlining nail beds, because you don't need to keep going over them and over them where you end up getting thick lines. So these are perfect just for doing little thin outlines like that. So yeah, I'm really happy to see a pink, or should we say rose gold, and they are a no wipe, so you can paint these directly onto a matte nail and you don't have to top coat them or anything. So I love that about them as well. Right, these black and white embossing gels, I'm not gonna swatch these guys. Essentially they're just a really thick gel paint. They're absolutely fantastic for doing things like sweater print. If you try and do sweater print with a regular gel polish, it kind of spreads out and goes flat, and you lose that kind of 5D embossed kind of look, where these are fantastic for that. I'll just quickly show you these 5D stickers. These are the kind of thing you can do with these 5D embossing gels. Gel polish, if you try and do blobs of gel polish to do these kind of flowers, the gel will just bleed and spread out, whereas these 5D gels will stay exactly where you put them, and you can add pigments to them, change the colours of them. But anyway guys, that is it for today. I just wanted to quickly show you these swatch sticks. I didn't know Madam Glam did swatch sticks. It is a shame, because I do use, for all my gels, not just Madam Glam, I use these stiletto ones. So personally I won't be using them, but for somebody that does use these kind of shape swatch sticks, they're fantastic, because they're already pre-printed with the Madam Glam logo. Who knows, I might drop a quick message and ask her if they'll start doing stiletto ones. But anyway guys, that is it for today. I will leave links below to these new collections and new release products, if I remember. And don't forget, you can get a massive 35% off now using my code. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up guys, and subscribe if you're not already. Hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.